Hi everyone, welcome to the ASUS Graphics channel. I'm Jake, and today we're featuring a very special unboxing of the newly launched ASUS GeForce RTX 4070 Dual. Now, as soon as you open up the box, at the forefront, you'll see your beautiful new RTX 4070 Dual, which we'll discuss in a moment. And underneath, you'll find a few items, such as a quick start guide, a small cardboard cutout section that can actually be turned into a phone holder, as is common now with our cards, a collector's edition card of the model that you get. Now, on to the real prize. Now, one of the very first things you're going to notice with the RTX 40 series version of the Dual cards is the complete design language change. It now features prime styling, which is great for those of you already into that series and really wanting something to match aesthetically. Additionally, another major change is these will feature the 8-pin connector versus the new 16-pin. Moving on, the backplate is full aluminum and features the same design language found on the rest of the card, and our new upgraded Axial Tech fans are also present. And for connectivity, there are 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and 1 HDMI 2.1 connector. Now, gaming-wise, this card is going to target high refresh 1440p and ultra high refresh 1080p gaming. The 12 gigs of GDDR6X ensure that you're going to have plenty of VRAM for any of those titles you're running, and with a combination of DLSS 3 and G-Sync, even some light 4K gaming will be possible. This concludes our short preview and unboxing of the ASUS GeForce RTX 4070 Dual. If you've got any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave it in a comment below. And don't forget to stay tuned to our channel, because we'll have benchmarks coming up soon for this card, and we'll be showcasing some additional models soon.